This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Shopify app and signing in. Use your username and password or social sign-in to proceed. Once signed in, make sure the device is on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or computer when using Shopify Connect. If you're pairing via Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth on both devices and make them discoverable. These steps get you past the gate, signed in, networked, and discoverable, so the next actions can link the devices seamlessly. Once done, tap the Connect icon in the lower corner or select devices available from the menu. This shows all compatible endpoints. Make sure to choose the correct device name. Phones, speakers, TVs, and consoles may appear similarly. When prompted, accept pairing codes or grant permissions so Shopify can control playback. For smart TVs, you may need to enter a code. If the device requires Wi-Fi credentials, enter them now. Finishing these steps links playback control and library access. To finish, start playing a track and confirm audio comes from the connected device, and that you can control play, pause, and volume remotely. If you don't hear sound, restart the Shopify app in the target device, then try the connect sequence again. Make sure both are on the same network and disable guest or client isolation on the router. Update the app and firmware as needed. If problems persist, sign out and back in to refresh credentials and cache states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.